What's going on, and welcome back for another blockchain future. I'm sure most of you are aware of the virtual assistants that are out and about. There's Google Home, Siri, Alexa, Cortana, and those have actually gotten pretty mature over the years and have become fairly intelligent. You can turn on lights, set reminders, set timers, kind of the basics around quote unquote artificial intelligence. But I did find this article that was specifically about the merger of virtual assistants and merging them with a higher form of artificial intelligence and crypto slash blockchain, which they kind of touch on a point that I think a lot of people don't see when they think of the word luxury. And I normally don't like getting into specific platforms, but Elitum has this new Vera virtual assistant, and they do touch on a point about luxury. It's supposed to be a luxury virtual assistant, but the reason why they call it that is actually they make a good point. So let's just jump right into this. In a quiet corner of Europe, a government has achieved a world's first. It has set its entire catalog of municipal services online, 24/7 coverage for medical e-prescriptions, tax filing. You can even buy a car without visiting the vehicle registration office. Using blockchain technology to secure its data, artificial intelligence, and machine learning to automate administration, Estonia has beaten its more economically developed counterparts in becoming a genuinely digital society. Now, the whole population is using its online authentication and signature system, and the efficiency of these e-services has transformed their standard of living. Estonia is a clear example of how emerging technologies will shape the world. Still, the technologies divide opinion, where Mark Zuckerberg believes artificial intelligence will identify and cure diseases, help cars drive more safely, and keep our communities safe. Elon Musk derides AI as far more dangerous than nukes. As for blockchain, barely a day passes without another controversial outburst. And yet, opinion hasn't stopped Amazon's Alexa from finding its way into 25% of American homes. Yet, while these virtual assistants enhance life, they are barely life changing. Their use of artificial intelligence alone limits what they can achieve. In a perfect world, a virtual assistant would do more. In a perfect world, a virtual assistant would take care of every aspect of life to free valuable time for maximizing the enjoyment of a newly luxurious routine elsewhere. Imagine a digital assistant that manages personal data, daily tasks, finances, holidays, work trips without human intervention. A personal e-advisor that suggests the best course of action to meet current objectives and future needs. A virtual assistant that delivers contextual experiences based on where you are, what you're doing, anticipating not only what you might need, but turning unlikely dreams into achievable realities. Far-fetched, yes, but there's a team of technologists that believes the blockchain could unlock this vision. And this is the key point here. Time is today's luxury. Elitum is transforming the world of luxury with blockchain technology. The company is building a unique ecosystem that could one day become the world's leading luxury lifestyle network, but the team still spends its nights discussing what luxury means in today's world. They've reached a conclusion. In fact, luxury should never be defined by a particular event or expense at all. Time is today's luxury. Moments to yourself, days with loved ones, a weekend to do whatever you like. And this statement is very true. As you get older, you will start to realize that the currency, I mean, that's really what currency is. That's what money is. It's you're kind of exchanging somebody's time. Somebody that has a lot of money, that's a lot of time that somebody has worked. That's a lot of time that somebody put into something. And obviously, some people's time is worth more money, but currency is kind of an exchange of time. So by combining cryptocurrency, blockchain, and artificial intelligence of these virtual assistants, This new Vera virtual assistant is actually um, trying to give you back time by taking care of the tedious tasks that you do every day, the little things that kind of eat up your time throughout the day. Um, as I continue here, as time is scarce. So where existing virtual assistants rely on artificial intelligence to automate concierge-style services, book a flight, share pricing and availability on hotel rooms, coordinate a meeting, Elitum believes you could create something altogether more sophisticated if you only combine these AI applications with blockchain technology. A more secure virtual assistant with near limitless capabilities to store your personal information, coordinate your schedule, manage your outgoings and finances, automate your entire luxury lifestyle. There's a bit of marketing in there. A blockchain based executive robot assistant that fulfills the dream of lifestyle to automation, or I'm sorry, to a blockchain based executive robot assistant that fulfills the dream of lifestyle automation, the vision on which this pioneering tech company wants to focus, saving time on the tedious to invest time in yourself elsewhere. This is the future of luxury. And this does tie back into autonomous agents, which is popping up in the corner right now if you want to watch that. Autonomous agents is pretty much what they're building this on. A virtual assistant like this would be an autonomous agent living on a blockchain. I believe this is on Ethereum. I'm not positive. So it's something that would, I believe the three technologies that they're talking about are, they had it at the top here. Um, let's see, artificial intelligence, smart contracts, and crypto. So those three things together are kind of what make this be able to do its thing. And they actually have some good examples here. I'm not going to read through the whole article. The link will be in the description if you want to read the whole thing, because it does get kind of into the weeds here as far as how they built it. But there's some more examples down here. Step into a world where Vera files your taxes automatically without error and without fail. Watch her settle your bills, your rent, with crypto and smart contracts automating transactions. Enjoy financial planning and investment advice. Then, should investments go well, suggestions for charitable contributions coupled with an automated savings plan, one that tells you when you've saved enough money to, say, take the holiday of a lifetime. Can't face the pressure of organizing a break? Vera will find the perfect destination, select the best date based on your family diary, and uncover hidden gems for you to discover while away. She can even coordinate with school holidays as required. No kids, no worries. You prefer a hotspot for party hopping? Vera knows just the place and the best time to go. Should a loved one's birthday come around, expect a present to arrive perfectly curated from the Elitum shop, something your other half is delighted with. You couldn't have picked it better yourself. Kind of gets rid of the whole reason for a gift, doesn't it? Then a phone call. It's your mother. She's also received her gift. A good thing Vera remembered. You hadn't. Unfortunately, it does sound like something people would want, though. And it's back to the holiday. A confirmation arrives, your hotel is sorted, flights confirmed, a driver will pick you up from home, take you to the airport, and you'll have a chauffeur at the other end. All part of the Elitum package. And no need to book activities before your trip, as smart contracts make organization a gentle summer breeze. Then a notification flags a discount on a watch you've had your eye on. Your savings suggests it's time to buy. You confirm the purchase. Vera knows where you are staying. The watch will arrive at your hotel on Wednesday. Okay. You think about planning something special for the evening, but why plan? Vera knows your location. She can suggest a priority event. Just say what you want and let Vera arrange the rest. Dreaming has made you hungry. You put in a request. Uber Eats pops up, suggested dishes. Vera knows what you like. Settle back, hours saved. Thanks to Elitum, a luxury lifestyle is easy to achieve. So those were, I thought that was a kind of good glimpse into what something like this could offer. And as some of these things you might think as being kind of silly or, kind of Why would somebody do that? Honestly, we live in a different society these days, and I think people would actually like some of this stuff, as shallow as they might sound. But this was pretty interesting. It goes into how they're doing it, digitizing the future. This last quote was pretty good. In the next few years, Elitum could become a gateway into cryptocurrencies for consumers across the globe, a pivotal step that could then pave the way to crypto mass adoption. No one knows how blockchain technology will impact the world, but as a pioneer of personal computing put it, it's easier to invent the future than to predict it. That's by Alan Kay. Following in Estonia's footsteps, Elitum could be inventing the future. Luxury enthusiasts, stay tuned. So this looks like a pretty fun project. I mean, that's a lot of it's a lot to offer, and it's a lot to build. Obviously, a lot of if they are building this on Ethereum, the scaling issues still have to be solved for this to be anywhere near as fast as it needs to be. But this is definitely interesting and a glimpse into the blockchain future that we can imagine will take place once people are putting these visions into reality. So please like and share the video. There's a link to the article in the description, and have a good day. Thank you.